It is Saturday morning, so let's visit the flea market in Frankfurt. Safety first, and of course you need to put this helmet in your head and not keep it in the basket. Every now and then I stopped and took pictures like a bloody tourist. Broken glass is a real problem. You don't find it only on the fountains. You can also find it on the streets. The flea market is located on the other side of the river. There are some bridges, so we don't need to get our feet wet. The flea market takes place on a street, which is, of course, blocked from ordinary traffic. Here we can find everything, from empty perfume bottles to Russian Matushka dolls.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله. ما شاء الله بس دون السكيف.
So wie es mit Alma haben. Ja.
After compensating any health effects of the cycling, we can start looking for the real stuff. Most of these are crap, but the stubby drill, this one I will take along. €1 a pop. Someday I will take 2 fistfuls and see if the guy wants to count them or make a deal. Now there is a nugget hiding in plain sight. Let's see if we can make a deal from that. This stuff is not high-speed steel. It's some mystery tool steel. Now these are really nice reamers. You can turn these backwards as it doesn't impact their accuracy. Ball bearings? Anyone? Maybe a slitting saw. All in all, this guy is having a very good diversity in his stuff. Everything is available. End mills, burrs, then you have very strange drills, very long, and a micrometer. This ends up our journey in the Frankfurt flea market. So let's go home. This big end mill decided to follow me back home. The price was not bad and I probably need it. Also, the stub drill followed me. Here it comes. So, this was it this week. More next week, and when the Christmas comes, maybe we will see the milling machine itself.